Are you looking for some height in your garden, but you're not quite sure what to do? Let me introduce you to Cleome. Look at that. It's also known as a spider flower because of all these little legs coming off of it. It's so cute.
But the Cleome is a nice tall annual. It's great for, we have this in a container, but also in your beds or up against a wall or something. That gives you that height. So you really do need to watch those tags because the Cleome can get really tall, some 3 to 5 feet tall.
They are a perfect pollinator attractor. So they like the hummingbirds and the butterflies and the bees, but you know who doesn't like them? The deer.
The deer. Pretty deer resistant. This has done really well. The deer have been munching on all my flowers. They've left the Cleome alone, which is fantastic.
Also, a lot of the beetles and stuff, they have not been on this at all.
No, they didn't touch it.
There is a stickiness to it. So like when you put your fingers on it, and they have thorns.
Yeah, so be careful.
Yeah, but it's a beautiful, beautiful flower. They come in all different shades of the pink and white and purple.
And it's really pretty carefree. You took this off, but you really don't need to do much for deadheading. It'll just keep producing those flowers.
Right, because it starts producing flowers down here, and then it just keeps, like, you can see the seed pods coming out here, and then it will just keep blooming and blooming and blooming and getting taller. So really carefree, drought tolerant, which has been really nice with the
especially
heat that we've had.
This summer, going through those triple digit temperatures, and it's done fantastic. They're not a heavy drinker. You know, even in that heat, they did no problem, you know, weathering that extreme heat. So yeah, drought tolerant. As far as watering,
yeah, drought tolerant doesn't mean they can be like bone dry, never be watered.
Yeah, you just want to be kind of right down the middle with the watering. You know, they don't want to be soggy. They don't want to be too, you know, bone dry. Just right down the middle with the watering, and they've done just phenomenal, even through that heat. So
they like
that drought
the full
tolerance.
sun.
Yeah, they definitely like their sun, and you know, 6+ hours of that full sun. These are there's nothing shaded here, so these are getting that full blast of sun all day long, and it's done great.
So talking about the watering, fertilizing, keep it on a regular schedule because that's going to help promote those blooms and that growth.
At least that once a week with the Beat Neighbor fertilizer. That's keeping the foliage nice and green. And because those stems keep producing flowers, we want to feed them the nutrients so that they keep producing flowers all summer long. And they will, from spring all the way until that frost, they'll keep going. You talked a little bit about the seed pods. They are annuals, they're not perennials, but they can reseed themselves. So it is possible that you will see little baby Cleomes the next year as those seeds drop off, and they can sometimes sprout, and you have some more Cleomes.
Beautiful plant. So think about it. You have beautiful flowers. You don't have a lot of maintenance with it. They're heat tolerant, so you don't have to be watering them just constant all the time. And the deer don't like them. I mean, what better of a plant can you have?
And you're right. Yeah, as a cut flower, if you want to bring these inside, you can cut these off and put them in a vase and use them as a cut flower.
They are gorgeous. So in that cottage type setting of a garden, or if you just want something in a container that has that real light airiness to it, something really pretty to consider is the Cleome.
All right. So thanks for joining us.
Bye.